Well, we're not Irish, but we are celebrating St. Patrick's Day. We have an incredible video for you. It's about doing something special before you fall asleep. Can you guess what that is, Rachel?
Well, we'll let you watch the video.
Extremely fast manifestation, insane results. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hi, I am Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today is St. Patrick's Day, and we are soaring high like a big, beautiful green eagle, always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We consider you, Rachel and I consider you part of our extended soul family. And so we want to share as much of what's going on in our life, and we'd like to hear what's going on in your life. One of the crazy things we do in our family is we celebrate a lot of different holidays. We're not Irish, but we celebrate St. Patrick's Day. So we do a lot of things like that, and we like to share it with you. But do this before falling asleep, and you will receive insane results. It's extremely fast when it comes to manifesting what you deeply desire. Hey, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring, alchemy life coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Fill out the form, and hey, we will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. I think you'll be shocked. We've helped people in 60 different countries. lawofattractionsolutions.com. Okay, so most people allow creation to happen to them. You know, we're born, and that's what we learn early on, is everything happens to us. But we don't realize that we are here to consciously create. So I think it's about, first off, making a commitment that you are a conscious creator. You see, when you make this commitment and you make it deep within your soul, your whole paradigm begins to shift, because you start to manifest and create in a whole different fashion, not as someone who is just seeing the world acting upon them, but as someone who is creating what is going on in the world. High flyers, I think the next thing that is absolutely essential is you believe exactly what you achieve, and you achieve exactly what you believe. It just works out that way. You know, look, if you don't believe it, you're never going to achieve it. If you take a young child and say, I want you to jump across this mud puddle, and he says, I can't do that, he'll never be able to do it until he says, let me try. I think I can do it. Once he's in that mind state, he has a chance to jump across the mud puddle. So you get the idea, and it's the same thing in life. Whether it's buying a new home, a new car, a new job, a career advancement, your relationship, whatever you desire, you have to believe it in order to achieve it. You see, you can look at anything that you've achieved. Look at anything. And that's an indication what your beliefs are. If you look at somebody who is living under the bridge and is struggling in life, that's what his or her beliefs are. So that's why I say it kind of works both ways. But if you believe it, and you believe it strong enough, and you're absolutely determined and certain, you can manifest anything you desire. So the most important way to manifest whatever it is you desire with absolute insane, incredible results is you change your beliefs. And that's essential. Once your beliefs are changed, you won't think in the same patterns, and you won't attract the same outcomes. I see this as increasing your unlimited belief potential and dissolving your limiting beliefs. That's what we mean by alchemy life coaching. Alchemy is this transformation, this transition from one state to the next, from lead to gold. And so that's what's really happening here is you are adopting a new belief system that has unlimited power and resources. And you're dissolving the limited and limiting and fearful beliefs that you've had in the past. So we've talked about this several times here on YouTube, that 92% of your consciousness is subconscious. It happens without you even knowing it. You don't know what's in your, you may say, Robert, I know what's in my subconscious. You don't know what's there. If you want to know what's there, look at your relationship. Is it a great, loving, happy, fun-filled relationship? Or is it struggling? That's what's in your subconscious. Look at your finances. Is money pouring in from a variety of sources? Or are you struggling? That's what's in your subconscious. So taking control of your subconscious mind is absolutely essential. High flyers, to put it simply, what your subconscious believes, you will achieve. What your subconscious believes, you will achieve. Now, high flyers, here's the good news. Your subconscious mind will believe anything is true and anything is possible. Did you hear what I said? Your subconscious mind will believe that anything is true and anything is possible if you work to reprogram it. When you reprogram your subconscious mind, you can reprogram it with all kinds of false beliefs and false notions and base your whole life on a whole lot of falsities. Or you can reprogram your subconscious mind with empowering beliefs, with insane beliefs that give you the ability to manifest anything you desire at any time, the love you desire, the money you desire, the health and happiness that you are worthy of and deserve. It's absolutely amazing. So here's what I want you to do. You're going to do this before you go to bed at night, and you're going to find insane results. You're going to share it down below here. I know this is going to blow the lid off of everything. All your limitations are being blown away. So the first thing you want to do is focus on one clear intention. Let's not focus on 5. Let's not focus on 4 or 3. Let's focus on one clear intention and be clear about it. Know exactly what you desire. Next, and we've talked about this quite a bit, visualize the wish fulfilled. What does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like? What does it sound like? See it, feel it, believe it. Wake up in the morning and begin living it. Now do this simple exercise for 28 days and expect, absolutely insane results. Unbelievable results. But you have to see it, feel it, experience it in every detail before you fall asleep at night. You're going to literally be shocked at how easy it is to reprogram your subconscious mind. And high flyers, isn't it time you stop wishing and hoping and wanting and needing and begging and pleading? Isn't it time that you allow what you deeply desire to manifest in your life? To call it to you by taking control of your subconscious powers. High flyers, we need to trust our subconscious mind because it is the connecting link to the universe. Now, leave me a comment below. Share the results that you're getting. Do this for 28 days. You're going to start seeing results a lot sooner than 28 days. But even if you do, continue the work. Share the incredible results with me and with everyone else, because they deserve it. You deserve it. We all deserve it, right? Okay. You have a great day. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.